Welcome to Odawa World Social Services, where we are dedicated to restoring dignity, empowering lives, and building inclusive societies. Our work is driven by a clear vision and an ambitious mission to address global social protection gaps. We believe every individual deserves access to basic human support and opportunity, regardless of their status. Our vision is to create a globally connected social protection system, ensuring access to basic human support, financial relief, and opportunity for everyone. Our mission is to design and deliver integrated financial aid and social support programs that effectively address poverty, inequality, and vulnerability across communities worldwide. However, we face a massive global problem. Millions are struggling to access basic needs. Millions globally face limited access to education, rising unemployment, and pervasive income instability. Crucially, they struggle with lack of affordable health care, overwhelming housing insecurity, and growing debt stress. The existing social protection systems are fragmented, overly bureaucratic, limited in reach, and lack essential technological integration to scale effectively. Odawa World Social Services offers the comprehensive solution the world needs. Our Odawa World Social Services platform is a centralized, technology-enabled ecosystem delivering targeted financial aid across multiple life needs. Our core support programs include education and bursary aid, unemployment support, healthcare financial assistance, and critical housing and rent support. We offer dedicated programs for marginalized groups, including disability support, child support benefits, debt relief, elderly care support, refugee and immigrant aid, women empowerment, and youth development support. The foundation of Odawa is our cutting-edge, digital-first platform model designed for speed and transparency. Our digital-first platform features an easy online application system, AI-driven needs assessment, and strong partnerships with NGOs and governments. The platform ensures trust through transparent fund allocation and real-time beneficiary tracking, allowing for data-driven policy and decision-making. Our impact strategy focuses on long-term change, guided by a clear roadmap for global scaling. Our 5-year vision includes supporting millions of beneficiaries, significantly reducing poverty and inequality levels, and strengthening global social safety nets. The roadmap starts with platform development and pilot programs, followed by regional expansion into Africa and the Global South, and finally, global partnerships and scaling. We cannot build this future alone. We issue a global call to action. We invite governments, development partners, investors, NGOs, and philanthropists to partner with Odawa World Social Services in building a fair, inclusive, and supportive global society. No one should be left behind. Odawa World is building the future of social support today.